Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much.
Where are we?
We are at C&M FarmTech.
Okay, thank you. What is a sow?
A sow is a mature female pig, the one that has given birth already.
Okay,
Most farmers confuse it with a gilt. A gilt is a female pig that has not given birth yet, but a sow is a mature pig that has given birth already.
thank you for that. What is its usefulness on the farm?
A sow is the main reproductive aspect of your farm. A sow gives you more piglet after it has crossed with a boar. So a sow is very important in your farm to reproduce.
Thank you for that. What are the key aspects of sow nutrition?
But just like every other pig, your sow needs to have a balanced diet and you know that your sow feeds other piglets. That is if it is lactating. But as much as every other pigs in your farm, your sow needs a balanced diet. The carbohydrates in the right proportion, the protein also, the fiber and the vitamins. So you need a very good nutrition for your sow.
Thank you. Then how do you ensure the proper housing and environment for a pregnant sow?
Yes, for a pregnant sow, you need to make sure that you prevent everything that will make you want to treat that sow when it is pregnant. At first, you have to make sure that the sow has taken all the right medication, the dewormer, the antibiotics before it is being crossed by the boar, and the sow needs to have a weight of at least 80 kg upward and about 10 months old or maybe 12 months old before you can even cross, because a sow, if you want a sow to reproduce plenty piglets for you, you need to take care of it very well by making sure that it has enough weight to carry the piglets in its stomach or the tummy, and also have the right age as well.
Okay. What measures do you take to prevent common health issues in sows?
Yeah, just like we said, when you have given them the dewormer and every other medication that they need before you cross them, the necessary thing to do is to give them the balanced diet and make sure that there is water always for them to drink. Water is very, very important. 24/7. You need to have your water on the farm where your pigs can drink from. If you look at C&M FarmTech, we have nipple drinkers everywhere, and there's constant water for the sow. Also, you have to make sure that the rooms are dry, very dry, so that you don't produce microorganisms on your pen when the rooms are not dry.
Okay, that's good. How do you normally identify signs of distress or illness in a sow?
Just like every other pigs, once you see that they are not active as they used to be, you already know your animals. And pigs are very active. So you begin to see them, they walk slowly, they are not really active, and they stop eating. Right? They are not eating as they used to. So you begin to know that there's an issue with this, and you have to check very well. So if it is beyond you, then you call your vet to come and check and know the right vaccine or medication to give to that sow.
Okay. Yes. That's wonderful. How do you handle the feeding regimen for lactating sows?
Yes, the feeding regime for a lactating sow is a sow that is breastfeeding its piglets. So you have to give enough feed, because as much as it eats, it breastfeeds the piglet. So if your sow has been taking 3 kg per day, when it gives birth to, let's say, 10 piglets, those 10 piglets, you have to consider their feed as well. If a sow is taking 3 kg per day before giving birth, and then when it gives birth, you have to add at least 0.5 kg of the number of piglets that it has given birth to. Say it gives birth to 10, you have to make sure that you put 5 kg added to the feed it has been eaten before. That means it will be 8 kg or more.
Okay, that's wonderful. That means you must be a mathematician to be a farmer.
It is normal addition.
Okay.
You just have to add all these things together.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, what are the challenges you've faced in sow care, and how do you overcome them?
Yeah, there was a time we had a sow that was producing mucor from the nose. You know, that's a respiratory issue. I think that's the only time we have had a sow problem in the farm, and we used a tylosin cure that to prevent that. So we gave it tylosin, and then tylosin helps with all the respiratory issues. So we used tylosin and we got the result, and the sow gave birth to about 13 piglets, and then all the piglets did very well. So, but we have to prevent all of these things from happening so that you can make sure that you don't inject your sow. You know, the pigs are very strong. So you prevent injecting them at that time when they are pregnant.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you for your time.